Hello students, welcome to physics of class 12th. We are studying electrostatic. Today I will teach you intensity of electric field due to electric dipole on axial line. Yes, my dear students, intensity of electric field due to electric dipole due to electric dipole on axial line. You can say end on position also. Yes, my dear students, today I will teach you intensity of electric field due to electric dipole on axial line. Before we start the topic, my dear students, I want to teach you these two theories on which this topic is based. Yes, my dear students, look here. First of all, I want to tell you what is the magnitude of the intensity of electric field at r distance due to a source charge which nature is positive. Yes, my dear students, look here. E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square. Very important formula. With the help of this formula, we are able to find the intensity of electric field due to point charge at the r distance. Yes, my dear students. Look here. One more things, very important. You have to know very well about the electric dipole. Yes, my dear students. Very important physical quantity of the physics electric dipole. Look here. What is the means of electric dipole? If 2 point charges are situated beside to each other at an infinite small distance, the magnitude of the charges is same, but their nature is opposite, then they makes the electric dipole. Yes, my dear students, look here. One time again I am going to explain what is the means of electric dipole. If 2 point charges which are same in the magnitude but opposite in the nature are placed beside to each other at very infinite small distance, then this type of system is known with the name of electric dipole. Yes, my dear students, look here. One physical quantity, very important physical quantity, which is related with electric dipole, that is electric dipole moment. Yes, my dear students, electric dipole moment is a vector physical quantity and its direction is situated from negative charge of the dipole towards the positive charge of the dipole. Dipole moment. My dear students, always remember what is the means of electric dipole moment and what is the direction of electric dipole moment. Yes, my dear students. Look here. I am going to start the fresh topic of the today's video lecture, which is intensity of electric field due to electric dipole on axial line. Suppose this is a electric dipole, my dear students. This electric dipole is made up with the help of negative charge and positive charge. One charge is minus q and another charge is plus q, having a very infinite small distance between to them, that is a 2L, and it is situated in the vacuum. My dear students, look here. We have to find the intensity of electric field at the r distance from the midpoint of the electric dipole. This distance here I am going to mention as r, and on axial line you are looking a point P. This line is known with the name of axial line. Horizontal line, my dear students, if we talk about this line, then this line is equatorial line. Later we will find the intensity of electric field due to electric dipole on equatorial line also. But look here. Now we are going to find the intensity of electric field due to electric dipole on axial line. and on axial line we are taking a point P. On this point we will find the intensity of electric field due to electric dipole. My dear students, R point is situated, P point, yes my dear students, P point is situated at the R distance from the midpoint of the electric dipole. If you talk about the, here I am assuming the name of electric dipole is AB. If you talk about the distance, yes my dear students, look here, this distance will be L and this distance will be also L. If the distance between A to B is 2L, then this is midpoint of the electric dipole. This distance will be L and this distance will be also L. My dear students, what is the magnitude of the VP? Here I will write R minus L. And what is the magnitude of the AP? The distance between A and P, that is R plus L. If we talk about the intensities, then on the point P, two types of intensities are present. One intensity which is produced, which is developed, which is created by plus Q charge, that is E1, and its direction is present towards, if I will take north this place, south this place, east this place, west this place, then I can say E1 is present in the north direction. Yes, my dear students, intensity which is developed, which is created by plus Q charge on the point P will be situated in the north direction. How we can recognize what is the direction of intensity? My dear students, if I will put a test charge on this place, then test charge will move towards the north side. Test charge will experience the force toward the north side. Thus, we can say the direction of intensity from plus Q charge on the point P will be situated on the north side. Yes, my dear students. In the similar way, we can find the direction of intensity due to minus Q charge on the point P, which will be situated on south side. Yes, my dear student, this is our target where I am putting my finger. In this place, we have to find the net intensity of the electric field due to electric dipole. My dear students, if we talk about the E1 and E2, then you are looking E1 and E2, both are present along the same line. Both intensities are present along the same line. This is the direction of E1 and this is direction of E2. Yes, my dear students, but their direction is opposite. You are looking clearly. E1 intensity is present toward the north direction, but E2 intensity is present towards the south direction. So the net intensity on the point P will be difference of the both intensities. Yes, my dear students, look here. E is equal to E1 minus E2. And what is the value of E1? E1 is the magnitude of the intensity which is produced by plus Q charge on the point P. And here I will write first of all E1 and E2 separately. Look here, E1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R minus L whole square. My dear students, this distance is R minus L. So here we will write R minus L square. If you talk about the E2, then value of E2 will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R plus L whole square. Yes, my dear students, come on the topic. On the place of E1, I am going to write 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R minus L whole square, minus on the place of E2, I will write 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R plus L whole square. Yes, my dear students, we are going to find the net intensity of the electric field due to electric dipole on axial line at point P. Here I will take Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught as a common. and again here I will write r minus L whole square, my dear students, and on this place I will write r plus L whole square. Yes, my dear students, the space is not available. Look here, I am going to erase some point from this place. Note down. Yes, my dear students, look here. Again, from this point, I am going to proceed the calculation in the forward direction. Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught, my dear students, and on this place we will take r square minus L square whole square as a common, and if we divide with this value to this value, then we will get r plus L whole square, my dear students, and here we are getting r minus L whole square. Yes, my dear students, finally here I can write, you can write Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and again here you will write 2, or my dear students, look here, 4QRL upon r square minus L square whole square. Yes, my dear students, finally we can write 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2PR, because 4QL, on the place of 4QL we can write 2P. P means electric dipole moment, which value is 2QL. 2PR upon r square minus L square whole square, my dear students. Look here, one time again. My dear students, this value, the distance r is very much greater into compare of L. If you will do the square of L, then this magnitude will be very less. Yes, my dear students, so we can avoid the L square. If we avoid the L square, my dear students, then final formula we can write 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon r cube. Remember this formula. With the help of this formula, we can find the intensity of electric field due to electric dipole on axial line at the r distance. Yes, my dear students, this formula in the vector form I can write like this way: 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p vector upon r cube. In my next video lecture, my dear students, I will teach you intensity of electric field due to electric dipole on equatorial line on broad on position. Thank you.